today's topic is indent. What is the meaning of indent? The word indent is basically used to describe the distance or the number of blank spaces used to separate a paragraph from left to right margin. So it means when we want to provide the space so that we can separate our paragraph, we can use the indent. There are basically four types of indents: first line indent, left indent, hanging indent, and right indent. To provide the indent, we can use different methods by using the keyboard shortcut key or by using the mouse, by using the tab. We can provide the indent. The first one I am telling you, by using the ruler. By using ruler. From where you will show your ruler? Now at present you can see ruler is not here. What you will do, you will go to view tab, or you can say view ribbon. When you will click on view ribbon, you can see here different groups are here. You can see here different groups. Here you can see show. Show group is here. In this you will click on ruler. In this you will click on ruler. Just click on ruler. You will see horizontal ruler and vertical ruler is displaying here. So by using the ruler, we can provide the different indents: first line indent, left indent, hanging and right. So how it is possible? For example, I want to apply for this paragraph. Firstly, you can see here this one, the topmost. That is called first line indent. That is called first line indent. And the second one, middle one, it is called hanging indent. It is called hanging indent. And for the left indent, we use this mark, left indent. So this one is first line indent marker, this one is hanging indent, and this one is for left indent, and this one is for right indent. So here you can see in this one, three indents are here. The first one, very first one, this is first indent marker. This one, second one is for hanging, and the bottommost, that is for left indent. So by using this, we can provide the indent. The first one is first line indent. As the name indicates, we want to provide the space for the first line. We want to set indent for the first line. So just click on left indent marker and drag it to the position from where you want to start your first line of this paragraph. You can see here, this one was 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5. I want to start my first line of this paragraph from 1.5. So I have used the first line indent. I'm doing it. If I want for the whole document, then firstly select the complete by pressing Ctrl+A. Then if you want to set only first line, then go to first line or indent and click, and then just hold down your mouse left click, and from where you want to start your first line, for example 3. You can see here, clear? Not for the one paragraph, you can see for the whole, because I have selected the whole document. Clear? So I am undoing it. So the next thing is you have seen here first line indent for only for the first line, and hanging indent is opposite of the first line indent, where except the first line all the lines of the paragraph will move. This one, second one, middle one is the hanging indent. Just click, hold down the mouse left click, and when we are moving, you can see first line is not moving. First line indent marker is there. It means first line will not move. All the other line except first line will move. You can see here my first line is here, and you can see first line indent marker is here. Clear? By default, it will apply to only that paragraph wherever is my cursor. If you want to apply for two or more than two paragraphs, then you have to select it firstly. I am undoing it. If I want to apply for these two paragraphs only, so what I will do, firstly I will select these two paragraphs, and after that go to hanging indent, hold down the mouse left click, and from where you want to start the other lines except the first line, you can see here this is applying now on two paragraphs. You can see the third one paragraph. See, this one is my third paragraph, this one is my fourth paragraph. So because I have selected the two paragraphs, so that's why it is applied to two paragraphs. So the next one is, I have undo it. The next one is left indent. Left indent for whole first line and also the other line of the paragraph. If I will go to the left indent, that is bottommost marker, in this first line and other lines also will move. Here it is called left indent. In the first line indent, only first line will move. In the hanging indent, except the first line, other lines of the paragraph will move. In the left indent, whole first line and also the other line. And right indent, you can see here, right indent, at present it is 6.5. You can see here, after that, not any text is here. If you want maximum to maximum, this paragraph will reach up to 5.5. You can see here all the other paragraphs. You can see here this is up to 6.5, but I have decided for my this paragraph up to 5.5. You can't see the other text is there, not there. So this is our right indent. So we have done first line indent, hanging indent, left indent and right indent.